Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is Aloysius World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix on files and folders always show icons and never thumbnails on Windows 11. So for this case I will go to any kinds of disks or any kinds of local disks on new volume. So let's get from this or any other things like desktop C. So this thing I want to do this, so I will click the see more or three dot button. So click here and go to the option, see here the things, so go to the view and files and folders. So this thing always show icons, never thumbnails. So I just click here on see and go to apply, see and okay. See, always icon has been, but the thing is again we have check, see view, see allow show icons, never thumbnails. Only show the icons but never thumbnails. So see, so in this way we can set these things. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.